Why recording, man?
I'm gonna put you on my YouTube channel.
Why YouTube channel?
Niko's Kitchen. Featuring Niko. Pause.
You didn't pause it, didn't you? You didn't pause it, didn't you? You didn't pause it.
Now I'm in the kitchen, bro.
You didn't pause it, didn't you? Look at you. You didn't pause it. You didn't pause it. You didn't pause it. Okay, fine. Okay. What we have to do, grab coffee. I don't know.
Alright. You said this was your favorite, huh?
Yeah, it's my favorite. And then, first you have to check if there's enough water.
Check to see if there's enough water.
Yeah.
Looks okay. There's some in there.
Yeah. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take this out. If there's already there one, just put it in the trash. And then we're going to put it right here. But first, before anything, you have to turn it on. And when it does that, just do that.
Oh.
And then
the sound of success.
And then you're going to grab a
Ching.
mug.
Alright.
I'm going to grab this big one because it's a nice coffee.
Okay. Doing the big boy.
I'm gonna go right here. I like to do coffee. I'm gonna do like 8 ounces because 6 is a little bit. It's just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
You just wait for it to do that. And then
I noticed you didn't press the strong button. You don't mind?
Hmm? Oh no. No strong. I'm only a kid, man. Chill out. You want me to get drunk, man?
You're gonna get drunk on coffee?
You want me to get drunk, man? Caffeine is a drug, you know that, right?
I do know that.
Okay.
That's why I didn't have coffee today. I'm sober.
No, you're not.
What?
Anyways, what else waiting to cool down over
This is
there?
my drug today, macadamia nuts.
And then you grab your favorite creamer, which is only 2 creamers. I'm gonna grab hazelnut because I like hazelnut.
Hazelnut creamer.
Ow. Okay, and then for the iced coffee, you're gonna grab some milk.
For iced coffee, you're gonna grab some milk now.
And then once this
creamer and milk.
Yep.
What else are you gonna put in there? Whipped cream and ice cream? Come on, man.
No. That's it.
Butter?
Yeah, so
Cheese? How much dairy are you gonna put in there?
And then we're gonna put. This is where we're gonna be putting the milk, and then so first, it's really hard to see. Wait, I'm gonna turn the light on. Yeah. So right here, you see cap and latte. So what the cap is you're gonna fill up creamer to cap, and then you're gonna fill up the milk to latte. So then it should.
Okay.
So once this is done, I'm gonna go over here. You see, it's really hot, so it's gonna cool it down. So what we have to do is we put in all this creamer.
Smells good.
Yeah. So I'm gonna fill it up all the way to cap. Just fill it up all the way to cap. And right there. Then you fill up the rest of with milk. And then it's gonna get all foamy too. And then you put it right there.
No way.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift it up, do it again, latte, and then you're gonna put it on.
What?
Then cover it because it might splash out a little bit. Then you're gonna do, boom, bam.
What?
Look. Just mix it up. You're just gonna wait until it finishes. Then once it finishes, you just grab it and you pour some in here. It's gonna get off on me too. I like it when it gets foamy. But then I like to take this out and put it in the garbage again. And then snack.
That crunch life.
I have three wiggly teeth right now. I don't know why.
You have 3 wiggly teeth? What do you mean? Like for the tooth fairy?
No, right here. Mine.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, anyways.
Are those the last 3 left?
Hmm?
Those are the last 3 that didn't fall out yet?
No. They're all baby teeth though. So they're gonna fall out soon anyway. So and then you just put this back.
Yo, I was waiting for that.
If
I'm
you
waiting for that part.
If you want to leave the hazelnut out just for like a little bit more sweetness, because I know you do not like that, then you can.
I like sweetness.
I'm gonna just leave that out. Amaretto is like my dad's favorite. So I like it.
Tastes like heaven in a nutshell.
Yep. And then it's really nice. Takes a little bit long though. Oh, never mind. Never mind. As soon as I said that. As soon as I take that off, look what happens when you pour it in there. Ow. So look what happens. When you pour it, it's really foamy.
Yo!
That was not me. That was not me. That was just for the experience, guys. Never leave a mess when you have a Hispanic mom. Never leave a mess when you have a Hispanic mom. So, yeah, never do that. Never do that. Me, personally, from experience, never do that.
I know what you're talking about. She yelled at me because I dripped water on the floor. Literally water.
Then, just smell it. Just smell it. Just smell it.
Achoo!
Why do you do that?
Bro.
But, yeah, anyways. I like to keep a little paper towel under it. Wait, where's the...
Smart.
Or we can just use funnel paper. Or we can just use funnel paper.
Or a sponge or a rag.
Well, not really a sponge or a rag, but like...
Napkin.
No. Because napkins are they're a little too light. They're just too light.
Wait a second. I didn't know you were in here.
Wow, okay, man.
Boom.
Alright, man. Just because I haven't played Fortnite in a while doesn't mean that I'm trash.
Roasted. I had to do it to you.
We go over here. We go over here. We exit Niko's kitchen. We go over
It's
here.
like another dimension.
Then there should be paper towels. Paper towel. Wait, where's the paper towel? Paper towel? There's no paper towel. Oh, okay. Let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs.
Oh, downstairs.
The
Niko's basement.
No. The very 3 a.m. basement. Yeah. So, there should be some over here. Yep.
Cha-ching.
I'm gonna grab two, cause. Yep. Then first, gotta unbox these before that gets sticky, and then it's gonna stay on there for a while. And then pretty much every second, Mom's gonna whoop me. Anyways. Make it like that.
This paper towel unboxing brought to you by, sponsored by Bounty. It's so strong.
Remember, it's 26% off. Can you put it right here?
The technique, though.
Right here. Right here. Boom. Anyways, I'm gonna grab a lot because it gets sticky really fast. I'm gonna do this because I'm gonna put it up, and then I'm just gonna.
All right, one for your cup.
And then I'm just gonna fold it. And then if you want it to be really cold, then you're just gonna add some, just gonna add some ice.
So that's not cold right now?
It's not, you can feel it, it's not that cold because I let it, just look how foamy it is though.
Yeah.
Can I grab a straw? Oh no. Sorry. No.
What?
That's my line chip. That's my line cook. Look, if you swirl it around, look, come. If you swirl it around, it's really foamy.
Yo.
Ooh. Anyways, gonna put this in the sink before my mom kills me. Yeah. Anyways, if you want it to be really icy, which I want it to be really icy, is I'm gonna add some ice to it.
Oh, wow.
Well, if you add ice to it right now, it's gonna like drip everywhere. So I'm gonna just grab a cup and I'm gonna grab it and drip it. Because then it'll be like more efficient.
I got you.
So, grab this little cup. Get some ice. Yeah, that's the one problem. Oh, I do not like that. It should work now. If it doesn't work, then I like game straws.
What's wrong with that?
I mean, it's not that much
You need
ice.
bigger-
I need bigger ice.
Let it run for a little bit.
Wait. Oh, finally.
It was on crushed ice. Score.
Anyways,
Yeah, dude.
very good, dude. Put some in. You don't want to put too much because the more you put, the more it's gonna overflow, and the more when you walk down to like take a seat, you're gonna spill it. Just for one more.
Seems like you know that happened from experience.
Yeah. Don't ask how that happened. We're gonna keep this ice in the refrigerator just to I'm not keeping it in the refrigerator. I'm not doing that. Where should I keep this ice?
Go in the sink.
I mean, I could eat it. I'm gonna eat it.
Go put it in your socks.
Yummy. I'll keep it right there. But yeah. Then you add the straw. Then you extend it. Boom. Iced coffee in under 2 seconds, I think.
This has been an episode of Niko's Kitchen. Stay tuned next time. He's gonna
Episode 2 is my favorite salad.
Yo.
The tomato, cucumber, tahini, and lemon juice salad. Okay, stop recording. Stop recording.
You gotta
Huh?
taste it on camera and tell us if it's good or not.
Oh, yeah. Good as always.
Scale 1 to 10.
9.8. It's still a little. It's warm, but.
If anybody wants cooking lessons from Niko, leave a comment and subscribe
Please.
for more action.